Hi, welcome to IST611. This is Learning Module 1, first week of the class. This week's work primarily is preparation and foundation for the rest of the class. We have various goals. One of the first is to introduce ourselves to each other so we can kind of get to know each other. The way we're going to do that is with VoiceThread. On the WebCT Learning Module 1, you will find links to VoiceThread. You'll also find 2 tutorials that you can look at, video tutorials, if you've never done VoiceThread. They're really quite easy, and they're also very powerful. They're being used in schools all over the country. You will find my VoiceThread as an introduction, a brief introduction of myself to the class, on the forum. I have posted various discussion forums, and one of them is a place where you can post the address of your VoiceThread. So after you go to voicethread.com and you create a VoiceThread, which I'm hoping will be only 4 to 6 slides. Mine is 6, but don't go any further than that. We want to keep it short and sweet. After you create yours, then you'll post the address on the forum, the same forum that I have posted my VoiceThread. And then you will be able to go back and forth. As people post them, you'll be able to go in and copy and paste into any browser, and it will pull up everybody's individual's VoiceThreads, and you can look at it, and please interact. Click on the record button or click on the type button and leave a comment, share something, ask a question, but interact and get to know your colleagues in this class. One of the other things I would like you to do is in the syllabus, on the home page, is the latest version of the syllabus. If you've looked at other versions in the last few weeks, you can throw those away and look at this latest version. And there are goals for the course. I would like you to read over the goals that we have for this course, what it is, what are the learning goals for the course. And look at it and think about your experience and your knowledge and your background with technology. Some of these goals will be challenging, and that's appropriately so. You should be learning in this course, and I don't expect you to be able to do even most of those goals, but many of you will. We're in a learning community, and we'll come with different expectations to this class, as well as experiences, different academic background, different knowledge. So look at it and decide for yourself, what is it? What are your personal learning goals? What are your challenges, your greatest challenges in this course? And what are the things that will probably be the easiest, that maybe you might even be an expert in some of these areas, and therefore you can help other students in the class. I would like you, again, on a forum to share that. Share your personal goals and what your reactions are and what you think your personal experiences with these reflections with the goals. The other thing is we need to be able to start to place technology within the context of learning. We never look at technology as anything separate. It's always within the context of learning. So there's a reading and there's also a video. And I would like you to write up a half-page reflective paper, reacting, agreeing, disagreeing, having reflective thoughts about those two, placing technology within a context of learning. You also need to download Skype. It's free. It's on the internet, so download that onto your computer. Also go and join Twitter, and you can send out tweets. Those are 140 characters. You'll need to follow me. I want you to interact and get used to Twitter. You might not like it. That's okay. But you need to experience something to be able to decide how would it fit in education and how are educators using it to support learning. We also are developing a class wiki. It's called Class Wiki Web 2.0, Web 2.0 Class Wiki. You'll need to go. The address is there. It's listed in the learning module. Go and you'll need to join. It's right now open to everybody. Anybody in the world can read it, but only members can add to it and edit. So you need to become a member. So on the upper right-hand corner, you can say Join Wiki. Click on it, and I will get a message, and I will approve your membership to our wiki. So that's one of the first things also. Also look at the list. There is a list of Web 2.0 tools, and decide your top 3 tools along with the partner. If you know someone in the class and you want to partner with them, that's fine. If you don't, go look at the VoiceThreads. Look and read over the VoiceThreads and see who you think you'd be compatible with, that you would like to do some research on one of the Web 2.0 tools listed on the wiki page. If you don't know anybody and no one has struck you when you read the voice threads that you would like to partner with, then just send me an email with your name and your 3 choices, and I will match you up with somebody in the class. And I will try very hard for all of you to, hit your first choice, if not your second, and hopefully definitely your 3rd choice. I think that's it. I hope you have a good week. Please don't hesitate. This is the beginning of the semester, and you might have lots of questions. There is a forum called Questions for Pam. If it's a question that you have about the syllabus, about the course, about the assignments, I'm sure someone else is also thinking the same thing. So definitely post it, and then the answer can be shared. If it's something private, you want to send me an email, please do that. If you see me on Skype, definitely click on my little Skype button after you have made me a friend. And there's instructions and everything how to do all of this. So I look forward to seeing you, talking to you, and I hope you have a good week.